Alright guys, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be lifting up my dad's Tacoma, the red one over there, doing a 3-inch lift. And before all that, I need to take the wheels and get it mounted. I'm dropping the wheels off over at Discount Tires. These are the wheels. They're 15 by 10 right there. So yeah, that's what's up. That's all I'm going to be doing today for my dad. Alright guys, we've been at it for a long while. Oh, R6. These are the tires that we got. We got 33 12 50 15s, BFG all-terrain Ko2s on whiteout. My dad likes whiteout since it's his truck. He likes the whiteout stuff. And then my dad's looking into getting high angle boots for his axles, and that would be awesome. And by the way, that right there, that right there used to be my dad's black truck. My dad sold it to Minchia right there. It's lifted about 4 inches or so, and it's got 33s on it, 30 12 50 15s as well. On MT, some mud tires. Just like barely got done. He always go fishing. Dad có bạn muốn chưa? Go fishing. He couldn't wait. My pops, yo.